don't think it's very big. Just want to get this one in. It is. It's a snapper. It's not bad. How's that for a rod holder snapper? Not bad for the first fish. Crikey. I'm going to let you go. Yep. It's a lovely 50 centimetre snapper. Very lively. See you later, mate. Yep, almost similar to the last one. Now if you were here for a feed, you don't really get much better than that. This is better. Okay, it feels like a snapper. It's not super big. Maybe. Might be alright. Don't want them getting off. I'm sort of reluctant to think it's too big. I think this might be like a 10 pounder. Head shakes and lead. There we go. It's probably like a, I don't know if it's a 70, maybe just on 70, probably 60, late 60s. Lovely fish on the boat. Yeah, late 60s I'd say. Nice fish. You swallowed that? Yeah, you swallowed it. Okay. You're gonna come home, unfortunately, mate. I'm really sorry about that. Yeah. Whoa. Oh my god. Got a couple of kingies just checking me out here. Just felt something touch my feet, and I look up and there's a rat kingy just grazing past my foot. That is weird. bit more serious. Unidentified. It's heavy, but it's not really doing much, which leads me to think it might be a shark. It's got some weight. It's a snap. I don't think it's as big as that last one. It's a weird fight, man. It's not a king. It's a snap. I foul hooked it. Yeah, I foul hooked it. Okay. Let's get you in. Get you on your way. I don't think I've actually got your eyeball. Just through the eye socket. You were barely hooked. Now, you're another lovely fish, mate. Whoa. We're gonna let you go. But that's awesome. Send him on his way. Healthy as. What? I don't think I had any bait on when I got this guy. That is an excellent blue cod. Look at that. Wow. Man. I know there's like a resident population of these things here, but that is excellent. Two more baits. Let's find the next one and then boom. Might go in and throw a softie around. Try a good Trevally or a Johnny. Who knows? Just trying to get lucky, I guess. Did not expect you to be that good. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I just wanted to show you the camera, mate. Lovely fish. I don't know, what do you reckon? Mid-50s? Early 50s probably. Beautiful. Put him back. And he's gone. And that ends the Strayline session. Feed the fish. Okay, so I've come in close and I'm trying to get Trevally, and what I've got here is doing some Trevally like things. It might be a snapper, but I'm hoping it's a little Trev. It's feeling more snappery. It's got a tail beat. Man, if I get a Trev, I'll be real happy. Oh, it is. It is a Trevor. Man, don't lose it. Oh, there's a kingy chasing it. A good one. Oh no, it's not that good. Oh, multiple kingies. Packs. Chasing the Trevor. Oh my god, I love it when a plan comes off. This is awesome. Yes! Yes! Second cast, trying to get a Trevally in close, and boom, did it. Oh, jammy. Fuck, there's some kingies beneath me, man. Oh, that's so good. It's not a huge Trev, but it's not embarrassing either. We'll put him in the bin. Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's going to help this competition a lot. Needed a Trevally. Oh my god. What happened there? Oh, I got one of those kingies. Rod was just in the holder. I dropped the soft bait in the water while I got rid of the Trevally. What do we got? Oh, it's coming to the surface. It might be a Kahawai. There it is. Oh, it's another Trevor. Oh no, it's Kahawai. I need one of those too. Oh my. Give me a minute. It's not even that big. I mean, you'll do. You did. You swallowed that soft bait. Oh, mate. That just takes the pressure right off. How deep is it? How did you... Also, the codfather did get quite a few offerings. Oh, I got a fish on. Oh! Oh, I better stop recording. Step back. Wow. Look at that. Lovely fish. Let's put it back. Let's put it back. Woohoo. An absolute cracker day. Just coming on 1 o'clock. I think I've got what I need. So, not going to push my luck. Get back to the beach. Get some shit done. I'll see you in there. I'll do this load first, and then we'll come back and we'll give a lift, eh? No, it's heavy, bro. It's heavy.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, look at this. Thank you. That looks awkward. Yeah, sweet as. No, it's perfect. That's it. Oh, thank you so much. No, I can do that, man. I'll give you guys some fish. I just need to take a photo. Hey, bro. Thank you for lifting my kayak up, guys. Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You guys will eat it, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Thank you very much for the fish.
Yeah, you're welcome, man. Thank you for lifting my kayak.
You're welcome.
Good luck with the rest of your fishing.
Thank you. See you next time.
Yeah, man. Well, there we have it. Man, you lift up from the boys. Saw them get a kahawai on the beach, so they were stoked, and then gave them a snapper. They were stoked with that too. Just karma. What legends. That was awesome. So I'm here dealing with the rest of the catch, just measuring up. Need to get some more ice on these things from the gas station, but that'll happen shortly. Close that lid. Now it's just pack up time. Get home, do some filleting.